How to stop Android apps from automatically opening links. So, if your apps are automatically opening links and you don't like that, don't worry, I'm here for you. So, what you're going to do is you're going to be going over into your system's settings. And once you go into your system settings, what you're going to do is you're going to bring yourself to the apps section. Now, once you go into the app section, you're going to go to the app that you don't want opening the links. So let's say in my case, I'm going to go over to Instagram. And once we come over to Instagram, you're going to come down where it says default. You're going to open that up. And here it's going to say open by default. You're going to click on that. And here it's going to give you opening links. So you're going to go to open supported links and you're going to click on don't open in this app. And you're going to do the same over here. And once you do that, Instagram is going to stop opening links for you. Okay. And you can do that for any other application as well. So yeah, that is pretty much about it on how you can stop Android from opening in-app links. So thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.